Whew, corporate catering is so hot right now. More caterers are dropping off lunches in office settings than ever before. This opportunity is great for business, but it does present a very serious challenge. In many workspaces, open flame heating isn't permitted. Most caterers use a standard can of fuel as a heat source for their trays of food. But what about when an open flame isn't practical? Even small fries can be very dangerous in certain environments. If you don't have an alternate solution, that new business opportunity is going up in smoke. Don't worry, PJP's got you covered. The new Sterno Speed Heat flameless warming system allows you to drop off a hot meal for your customers without the need for open flame heating. But how does it work? Let me demonstrate. First, we remove the speed heat packets from the protective sleeves. Next, we place those packets into the holders in the speed heat tray. Now we completely fill the holders with room temperature water. Make sure that they're filled all the way to the top. In seconds, you will see the speed heat packets begin to emit steam. You now have a completely safe heat source for your food trays, ready to set up and serve in minutes. Finally, we simply place the food in the Sterno Speed Heat trays. And voila! You're able to leave your customers with a delicious meal. The speed heat packets will maintain heat for a full 45 minutes, which is the perfect amount of time for a corporate lunch. Don't miss out on this new business opportunity because you're stuck using old school open flames. Turn up the heat with Sterno Speed Heat system. What are you waiting for? Contact your salesperson today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and that bell icon to make sure you're notified for any future videos. You can also check out this link right here to check out any of our other videos. Remember, PJP, where service is first.